from Niggerani News, Pakistan. There is a political unrest in Pakistan since long, and after the arrest of former Prime Minister Imran Khan, we have seen some charged crowds attacking on the military offices and their homes. How Washington observing the situation in Pakistan?
Well, we continue to monitor the situation in Pakistan closely, and as the U.S. has said before, we don't have a position on one candidate or one political party versus another. What our interest is a safe and secure, prosperous Pakistan. That is an interest of the U.S.-Pakistan relations, and we call for the respect of democratic principles and the rule of law around the world. Pakistan continues to be an important partner in the region, an important trade partner, an important security partner, and even in that time period, we continue to engage with our Pakistani counterparts on a number of issues. I will reiterate what my colleagues Admiral Kirby and Karine said, that a prosperous and strong democratic Pakistan is critical to U.S. interests. That remains unchanged. But on some of these areas, such as press freedom, human rights, things of that nature, we have consistently raised these issues with our counterparts, not just in Pakistan, but in other countries where we have a perspective to offer on that. But to give you some examples, what the United States is interested in is, we are looking to continue to strengthen economic ties between our two countries by expanding private sector trade and investment. And there's also an important security collaboration and areas of collaboration on renewable energy, addressing the climate crisis, increasing agricultural trade, and a number of areas. That's what we mean by a strong and prosperous and democratic Pakistan that is critical to U.S. interests.
The government of Pakistan also shutting down social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and others, and there are some strict restrictions on Pakistani media channels, like what to show and what not. When State Department officials engage with the Pakistani authorities, is this subject as a part of discussion, media freedom?
Well, this is something that the Secretary has emphasized pretty clearly before. He has been clear that access to information and diverse ideas make for a more prosperous and democratic societies. And access to internet connection, for example, it connects the public to information they need to advocate for themselves, to communicate with one another, to make informed decisions, to hold government officials accountable, and to exercise their freedom of expression.